Hey team, welcome back to Spec. So today my pedals have finally turned up, so I'm going to be chucking those in, but on top of that I've finally got some new tyres for the ute, but also they're wrapped in new wheels, so these pedals are going to be driving something different. So hang around, let's put them on. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the mat out, give myself a bit more room, because when the pedals come out down the bottom they want to bottom out. So I'm going to get rid of this mat and then we'll have a go. The pedal is a little bit tricky. Well, it's not that it's tricky, it's easy, but you just need brute force. And so, just give it a bit of a yank from the top, and they pull out. And this is why I pulled the mat out, because the bottom's on the floor, so I give myself a bit more room to get that out. Now the brake pedal has one little bolt in it with a Torx head, so we're going to pull that out as well. Yeah, I should just pull off. Pedal off. Now that the pedal's out, you can see, this is why I wanted to change them, because you can see that the silver that's on the pedal is all starting to get worn off on the side edges. It's just one of those things with age. I thought it was just this ute because it had over 200,000 Ks on it, but then I was looking at the GS and the brake pedal on that has a slight bit of that going on too, and that's only got 75,000 Ks on it. So it's just the materials. But anyway, these are still available new. So I thought, why the hell not? Let's chuck them in. This is the other thing I'll show you while I'm here. On the throttle pedal, there's actually a tab that comes through and down, and so that's what this actually clips on. And so none of them have any relief on it, so it just needs a really good, good tug, so that you can then overcome the tab and the pedal will come sliding off. Alright, so installation just would be opposite of removal. Now, there's two big tabs on the top, and it's a bit thinner here, so I'm thinking maybe I'll just slide it across. That definitely made it heaps easier. Yep, all the rubber is around the pedal. So yeah, I'm definitely, I got a bit dirty. Definitely recommend trying to slide it on sideways. And I'll bolt back in. Okay, so here we go. Let's have a crack putting this throttle pedal on. A little bit of ginger force. Yeah, I should be able to just work it all the way up till it clicks. And there we go. She's on. What a beauty. So there we go. New pedals are in. Now, I'm not going to lie, that throttle pedal is probably harder than it has to be, but it's not overly difficult. You can see 5-10 minute job, but yeah, you can still buy them, so I thought, why not? Let's spruce it up. So the wheel I've gone with is a 18 by 8.5 Koya Bathurst. Now you can't buy these wheels anymore, but they've been lying around in my shed for about 10 years, sitting on an old set of mkII 123S's, and they were a 265 wide tyre, so it's time for some new rubber. Give them a bit of a wash, chuck them on the ute. What do you reckon? Let's go for a drive. All right, so we're taking new wheels for a bit of a ride. So, like I said, these are the mkII Bathursts. They're an 18 by 8.5. Now, when I used to run them on the track, I used to run a 265 wide tyre, but that was on the GS. So the FG has a bit more guard clearance in the front. So I didn't think I'd be able to fit a 265 under the front of a BF. So I've gone with a 245 again, just the same size as the factory tyres. But this time they're Goodyear Eagle F1s rather than the mismatch of 3 different branded tyres on the corners of the car. So I think I had 2 the same on the front, but then the back left and right, each of them was a different tyre. Okay, we're taking for a drive. Got a bit of an on-ramp. All right, so there's another tidy up item. Well, 2 tidy up items coming off the list. So if you want to keep watching the ute make its way back, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And until I catch you next time, just remember, there's more to going fast than going fast. See ya.